Good morning, guys. My name is Julian Sanchez. I am a business student at Pontificia Javeriana University. I'm 24 years old. I'm actually doing the last semester of my career, and today I want to talk about Germany. Germany, the main city of Germany, it's Berlin. We're going to talk about Berlin just in a bit, but I want to talk about the German flag. As you can see in the picture, the German flag has three colors: black, red, and yellow. Uh, People say it's yellow, but for the German people, the yellow stands for gold, and the German flag it stands for the unity of the German people. All right. As you can see, in the picture, you can see a red dot, or the red country in the map. That is Germany, and is located to the north of, well, the country in the north of Germany, you can see, is Denmark, and it's bordered by the North Sea and the Baltic Sea. There are, as you can see in the picture, the two seas that are divided by Denmark and Germany, the North Sea and the Baltic Sea. In the west, is next to Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, and France. To the south, we have Switzerland and Austria, and to the east, we have the Czech Republic and Poland. Uh, Another fact is that Germany shares maritime borders with the United Kingdom and Sweden. So, in the economic panorama, that is a strategic point, but we're going to talk about economics uh, right in a couple of minutes. Well, the population. Germany is one of the biggest countries in Europe. So, as you can see in the picture, I've pointed some of the main or the important countries in Germany, but I'm going to talk about, why they are important just in a couple of minutes. Here I want to tell you that Germany is the seventh bigger country in Europe, and the population goes up to 81.7 million. Germans now, but people in Germany. So that's the population, the whole population, and its area it goes up to 357,000 square feet. And I'm gonna tell you how the population is divided in Germany. Well, the main city is Berlin, and the population in Berlin goes up to 3.3 million inhabitants or people. Next go Hamburg with 1.7 million people, and Munich. Munich has 1.2 million inhabitants. There are other countries like Bremen, Dortmund, Düsseldorf, Essen, Frankfurt, and Hanover, but the population doesn't goes more than 1 million. Actually, the country that more inhabitants have uh, has up to 700,000 people. So these three main countries got more than 1 million, and I'm gonna tell you why is this important in the economic aspect, but that goes just in a minute. Well, in the religion, Germany has lots of religions, as you can see most of the countries, but Germany the main religion, or well, there is divided because you have Protestants and Catholics that are the biggest, well, the religions that that most people follow. Both of them has, well, the Catholics goes up to 27 million uh, followers, and Protestants got 29 million. So there are these two religions has have the most followers. You have also atheists and Muslims and a lot of other religions, but there are not so many people in this. The German, well, in Germany, Germans speak German, but they also speak English, French, and Turkish. So you can if you're traveling to Germany, you can speak English and they will understand. Well, in the economy, in the politics, sorry. So the government type is a democratic parliamentary type, and it was founded October the 3rd, 1990. And here in the picture, you can see the Berlin Wall. So on that date was like the union of the two the, the two parts Germany was divided. So Germany used to be divided into two different, like, I don't know, like politic ideas. Well, soccer. We all love sports. Germany was the world champion on 2014, and it was the fourth world champion, the fourth championship for them. And this year they're going to the World Cup that is going to be on Russia. And as you can see on the stars, the first World Cup was in 1954, the second one was in 1974, the third one was in 1990, the year Germany became united, and the last one was the the World Cup, the last World Cup, and they won with the Mario Götze goal, almost, well, in the second part of the game, and he gave Germany the World Cup. Well, another thing important in the economic sector is that Germany produces a lot of products that we use, like uh, technology, well, cars, as you can see on the streets, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and a lot of things we use on our daily routine. So Germany, it's one of the important countries in the world because of the potential they have and how they uh, take these things and make them products, so you can, like, we can use them on our daily on our daily well on our in every day. So basically that's it. Thank you for your time, guys. German, well, as you can see, Germany is a great place. Another fact is that Germany, well, the students are going to Germany nowadays because the German education is very good, and if you're a good student, well, you're smart and you know English. They're giving scholarships for, well, the career you want to study. So you can check that and go Google it, and you can apply to scholarship in Germany. Thank you for the time, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.